How to connect Spotify to Hisense TV. First of all, you want to get your Hisense TV remote control, then press the home button. That'll bring you to this screen here where you want to press down, then get to this app section here where you can see a bunch of different apps in the square little boxes. You want to go all the way along to the right on this section here, then click OK on more apps. There you'll see a bunch of different apps there. For you, potentially you might not have Spotify in these apps. If you do, fantastic. If not, go to App Store. Then what you want to do in the App Store is go ahead and click the top right hand corner where you see the little search magnifying glass there, then click OK. Then go ahead and type in Spotify. Then for you, if the app doesn't appear on your device, what you'll need to do is kind of go through the search the web sections. As you can see there, click OK on the search the web. There you'll be able to open up Spotify. You don't want to click get the Spotify app because unfortunately you can't on your device. You want to go to Spotify web player. Go ahead and click on that. Then in this section here, you'll be able to use Spotify as if you were using your computer. So you'll be able to go ahead and sign in to a current account or create a new one. You could do that on this web page right here. You can just go ahead and search in a song, etc. and use Spotify as you would on your computer or your phone in this section here. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.